Hey guys! I decided to do our calendar outside today because it is so beautiful. So if you're watching this now, stop and watch it tonight because it is just gorgeous out here. I see, if you look at the trees, you'll see some of the leaves are coming out and some flowers are starting to bloom. And I'm looking across the road and there are two little friends playing outside right now. So I just couldn't be in the house any longer. So we're going to do a quick calendar and a quick sight word, and there might be some bugs that fly around, and if that's the case, then it'll be kind of silly. All right, let's get started. So yesterday was Tuesday, we said. Let's move this over, and yesterday was March the 24th. So what do we think today will be? I'm not sure yet because we haven't counted. But let's sing our Days of the Week song. All kinds of sounds today. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Awesome. So we see that yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be, if you said Thursday, you are correct. Tomorrow will be Thursday. So let's count to see what today will be. I bet that you can already tell, whoever you're watching, what number comes after 24, but for some friends who don't know, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Very good. If you were thinking 25 was going to be your number, kiss your brain. You are so smart. Today is 25. So today there is a bee right by the computer. So the bees are already out. So today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Let's go on to our counting tape. Looking at the pattern that we have cube, cube, sphere. So let's go all the way to the end where the 24 is and think about what we're going to put up today. Today's number we know is 25. But what shape will be on 25? Well, if we see that 24 was a sphere, then we think that the next one would be a cube. You're right. And tomorrow, what will tomorrow be? Another cube. Absolutely. All right, here we come to Number Bear. We're going to count to the number 9. Today I will use flowers. I will do a yellow flower and a purple flower. So that's going to be my pattern. Yellow flower, purple flower. What comes next? I already told you because I grabbed it. Okay, I'm not grabbing it. What comes next? Purple flower. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more do I need, friends? 2. Purple flower. yellow flower. All right, let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you hear that whine in the background, that is my dog Harley, and that's because she is so sad that she can't come outside. But she can go outside in the back, but she just can't come outside in the front because the road. We got to be careful of the road. So, okay. Done with Number Bear. I'm going to save it. Then we're going to move on. That should be, yeah. So yesterday we did the sight word see. And remember that we spell the word see with S and an E and E. And those 3 letters, when you put them together, make one word, see. So today we're going to do a new word. We're going to do the word the. And sometimes you might hear it pronounced the when you read, or sometimes you might hear it pronounced the. So let's go and see what those letters look like that make that word. All right. So these letters that make up the word the are T, H, E. The. Or the. I'm going to say the. That's just how I say it. So let's read these sentences. And if you look one more time and you look at the picture, you can tell maybe what it's going to be. So we're going to look at what the animal is and what color the animal is. So let's read. The cat is orange. The dog is brown. The bird is green. Very good. All right, let's watch our video. Let's watch our video now. Oh, okay, I clicked it. Just a few. Too many. Remember, Miss Humphries is always learning. Let's get this ad out of the way. There we go.
The duck goes. Quack. The bird goes. The chicken goes. The bear goes. Roar.
We like those have fun teaching videos in our classroom. They are always fun. Imagine, have fun teaching. They're fun. All right, let's move on. So it's going to be kind of the same as yesterday, except with the word the. All right, let's see what's missing here. Can you tell the person sitting beside you what letter is missing from the word? T. Very good, because we spell the T-H-E. It's missing here. All right. Which letter is missing? H. Very good. T-H-E. What letter is missing? H again. T-H-E. The. All right, last one. Did you say E? Kiss your brain again. E. T-H-E. Alright, they're all mixed up. Gotta fix them. Where am I gonna start? T. H. E. Very good. Again. T. H. E. Alright, I'm going to write it, and then you are going to write it. Here we go. T, big line down, little line across. H, big line down. Come back to the middle, little curve. Remember that I'm using my hand on the mouse, so my handwriting is not great. All right, and we need an E. So an E is a little line and a curve, a little curve. Great job, Miss Humphries. Now it's your turn. T, H, E. Very good. Let's read these sentences. Once again, you're going to look at the picture. You can see what it is and what color it is. And then you can help whoever is watching this video with you. You can read to them because they might not know. So they need your help. I'll do the first one. The bed is red. All right, you read the next one. Good. Okay, you read the next one. Good. And you can read the last one. You guys are so smart. Your mommies and daddies are really good teachers at home. I hope you guys are doing a really good job listening and being on your best behavior and helping out, doing some chores, making your beds, cleaning up your toys, cleaning up after yourself when you eat, all the things that you guys do at school, I hope that you are doing at home. So, I will see you tomorrow. I love you, and go outside and enjoy the weather. Bye!